today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you practice English speaking with yourself. How can you practice English speaking alone at home? In today's video you will know that you can practice English speaking with yourself. So this video is going to be literally very helpful for you. Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you all guys are doing great. Welcome again to this new video. I am your English Valley ma'am and my name is Dineshwari. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to practice English speaking alone at home. Friends, if you want to practice English speaking alone at home, but nobody is there who can speak English with you, so this is for you. Because today in this video, I am going to tell you that how can you practice English speaking with yourself. How can you practice English speaking alone at home? So this video is going to be very interesting and very informative for you. So make sure that you watch this video till end. And in today's video you will know that you can practice English speaking with yourself. So this video is going to be literally very helpful for you. So make sure that you watch this video with totally attention. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Friends, if you want to practice it with yourself, so you have to do only this thing, that you have to follow these two techniques which I used to follow when I started my English learning journey, and I also follow this technique now. Okay, so let's know what is the technique. So you have to follow these two techniques. Let's know the name of the technique. First is mirror technique and second is video recording. Okay, so let's know each one by one. Okay, so first is mirror technique. You have to take a mirror and you have to speak in front of mirror. Whatever you want to say, you have to say in front of mirror. Okay, it's totally up to you that what you want to say, but you have to practice each and every day in front of mirror, and you can easily practice to speak in English with yourself alone at home. Okay, so this is the best way to practice with yourself, and you can easily improve your spoken English by using this technique. So I hope that you understood. Let's take example that how can you practice and how can I practice in front of mirror. Okay, so let's know. I will show you. So this is the mirror. Okay, so you have to take a mirror like this and you have to practice in front of mirror. So let's see that how can I practice. So this is the mirror. I have to see the mirror and I have to see myself and I have to practice that I want to speak English, I want to speak English, I want to become fluent in English, I want to become fluent in English, I want to become a teacher, I want to become a teacher. My name is Dineshwari, my name is Dineshwari, I am from Chhattisgarh, I am from Chhattisgarh, I live in village, I live in village. You have to practice like this, and this is the best way to practice in front of you, and you can build your confidence by this. If you want to build your confidence, so you have to contact your eye with yourself. This is the best way to build your confidence, and this is the best way to practice with yourself. So I hope you understood my first technique. Let's know about the second technique. So second technique is video recording. You have to record your video. So how can you record your video? I will tell you. So you can record your video and you can say anything, whatever you want to say. It's totally up to you, but you have to record your video and you have to say anything. Okay, you have to say anything, whatever you are thinking at that moment when you are recording your video. So let's take example. So how do I practice in front of mobile? How do I record my video? I will show you. So let's see. So you can assume that this is my mobile. Okay, it's my mobile cover, but you can assume that this is my mobile and I have to record my video. So I will take it like this. Okay, and I have to record my video. So I will say that my name is Dineshwari, my name is Dineshwari, I am from Chhattisgarh, I am from Chhattisgarh, I live in village, I live in village, I want to do something in my life, I want to do something in my life, I am a working girl, I am a working girl, I am a laborer, I am a laborer. So you have to practice like this. So it's totally up to you, what do you want to say. It's it could be anything. Okay, so it's totally up to you, because I always practice in front of mirror, and I always practice in front of camera. It's my habit to practice, because I always want to build my confidence while speaking English. So I usually practice in front of both. Okay, so that's how I build my confidence, and I try to speak in front of myself. Okay, and if you will able to contact with your eye with yourself, so you can easily practice. Okay, so I hope you understood both technique and how can you use, how can you practice, and you can easily practice. Okay, so you have to say, i I literally want to say to all of you that you can say anything, whatever is running at that moment in your mind. Okay, so I hope that this video is helpful for you. If you consider that this video is helpful for you, so make sure that you hit the like button and share this video to your friends and your relatives. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and keep learning and keep studying.